In this last section in our exponents chapter, we're going to look at an application of positive and negative exponents. That application is called scientific notation. Scientific notation is for very large and very small numbers, and it's used in calculations a lot. Here's a definition of it, but it's much easier just to show you. So if I have what I would call two large numbers, I can instead write those in scientific notation by taking that implied decimal point, if it's not showing, it's implied at the end, moving it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 places until there's only one digit left. And I write 9.3 or 9.3, and then you write times, and we actually use a times sign, 10 to the how many places did you move it? 7. That's scientific notation. Moves the decimal point till there's only one digit before it and then a decimal point, and however many places you moved it, that is your exponent on a 10. Now because this number was originally large, my exponent is positive. So let's look at this one. 6.32. Notice I don't show all those zeros. Times 10 to the how many places did we move it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We moved it 10 places. So it's 6.32 times 10 to the 10th. This one doesn't need to be done because the decimal point's already in the right place. But if your directions said to write it in scientific notation, you would write 3.021. It's already in the right place. Times 10 to the how many places did you move it? 0. You didn't move it at all. Now let's look at some that are small numbers. They're decimal numbers. And how do we write those in scientific notation? Because they still have to have a number before the decimal point. So here we're going to move the decimal point the other direction to right there. So 4.62, remember one digit, then a decimal point, times 10. How many places did we move it? 1, 2, 3, but it was in the negative direction. Our number was originally small, so we show that negative exponent. Here, doesn't matter that it's a negative number, that doesn't change anything. We're going to move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places, so 7.62 times 10 to the negative 5. So just remember, if the original number is large, you use a positive exponent on the 10. And if the original number is small, you use a negative exponent on the 10. Now, we can go the other direction too. You can start with scientific notation and go back and write it in what we call standard notation or standard form. So here, my exponent is positive, meaning this number was really larger. How much larger? 3 places. So I go 1, 2, 3. I have to fill in with those zeros. Here, it was positive, so it was larger. How much larger? 5 places. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I can put my commas in. Here, my exponent is negative, so my number was smaller. How much smaller? 3 places. So 1, 2, 3. I got to fill in with zeros. And I end up with this. Think about it. It was here, 1, 2, 3. Here, it was just 1 smaller, so it's only going to move to there and be negative 0.527. Nothing too difficult about scientific notation. There are some on your own problems that you just need to practice with these because there will be some of these on your final exam.